What's up, ladies and gentlemen? What's going on? Eddie Harvey here. Hope everyone is doing well. Hey, guys, coming to you here with my weekly analysis video, guys, where I break down a pair that I'm looking at or a pair I'm potentially in on a trade for you guys every week. So, guys, this week, again, is EURCAD, Euro versus the Canadian dollar. I know I missed a few of these videos, but I'm back with it. So, guys, I'm definitely looking forward to just looking to do my best to drop some value, share some content with you all. So I'm sorry if I sound a little distorted on my voice here and everything, guys. I'm recovering from knee surgery. I had knee surgery last week, so I'm a week in on it, and I got taking some meds, kind of give me a little shortness of breath. That seemed like a little bit for my pain reliever. So I apologize for that if I do sound a little, like I said, distorted on my voice here. But anyway, let's get into this information. I want to get back to dropping some value for you all. So looking at EURCAD, guys, this is what I'm looking at. Now, I trade off of the 1 hour, guys, and I do pretty much, I trade off of what? Supply and demand, support and resistance, whatever you want to call it. It's naked Forex trading, right? Intraday trading off of the 1 hour chart. All I use is resistance and support. I don't do anything with any other type of indicators, minus for extra confirmation, I will use Fibonacci, and I'm gonna show you some fibs here in a second as well. So if you look right here, what's happened, guys? Looking on the 1 hour chart, if you look right here, even going back a few days, you see here it's just been ranging. It's just been ranging. It's just been ranging, right? It definitely, I keep going over. Where was it at? It did have a nice push to the upside. It was ranging back and forth right here. It dropped, and then it went into an uptrend for a bit of time here for a few days. Then ranging, dropped down right here, came back, ranging, and then it's shot up again, right, a little bit, right? Even on this move, if you say, looking at how many pips this went up from here to here, definitely still went up, which is significant, right? 229 pips, right? Then from over here, consolidation, a little downtrend a little bit. And then now here we are where it's still going down some, going down. Right here. End of January, went back up, shot up a little bit right here. And then now this is where we are at a consolidation. So guys, so if you're looking at why am I showing that? I'm just showing you guys the market moves only three ways, right? For those that don't know, the market's going to move sideways, which is consolidation, and then it's going to move up or down. And it's all based off of what's happening with these pairs in those countries' economy, different things is going to move the market. When you start looking at analysis, fundamentals, technical, institutional, all these different things, right? All of these things play a part, but the market always repeats itself. And one thing I will tell you, out of consolidation, right, the market is only going to move two ways. It's going to either move to the downside or the upside is going to stay in consolidation. So if you even look at this push right here to happen, what happened? It came out of consolidation right here, then shot up, right? All moves come up out of consolidation, okay? And that's why the way I trade, the first thing I look for is market structure or consolidation, which we have right here, okay? So if you're looking at this consolidation, right, even from right here out of this consolidation zone, it dropped. It was in a small downtrend, right? But if you look right here, it hit a strong level of support. And this has been a strong level of support since February 8th. So for the last 2 days, prices bounced off of this level, right? So this is why I said, okay, it bounced off it here, it bounced off it again here, giving me a what? This is a double bottom. You also have a double top all up in here, right? Multiple touches. So this has shown the price is saying, hey, we're in this area. We don't really know what we want to do. We're going back and forth. We're ranging, right? Back and forth. Down, up, stayed up right here. Wanted to try to break this level, but it couldn't push up here. Came back down right here, and then guess what finally happened right here? Okay, early today, it did break out. Okay, and it did exactly what I wanted it to do. It broke out right here, it retested, and then it continued up, and now it's pushing back down at this level. Now, for me personally, being in this trade, guys, I twin trade, and typically when I'm going for a 10 trade, I will go for more. But I knew it was going to go up to right here where this was going to be a level of resistance, okay? And I was looking, if I took it from the the upper part of this zone here to right there, that was roughly about 36, 37 pips. Well, based on where I got in on price at, for me, I do a 30 pip TP, and I'll set that for both orders. Okay, I split my lot size in half, and I go 30 pip TP on each one, because typically with the idea of wanting to trail on my second order to get more pips, right? So right now, where am I at on this trade? So right here, it came literally 2 pips away from my TP, then it turned around. So it's pushed back down right here. So right now, probably a couple of pips, in the negative as far as, I'm in the red a few bucks or whatever right now, right? So just waiting for it to continue to push back up. So now knowing that, okay, it didn't hit the zone. If it definitely goes back up to the zone, I'm pretty confident that it's going to eventually, this is the next area of resistance, right? Right here is the next resistance zone. So I'm looking forward to break through this level, right? And if it does break this level and retests and rejects and continues up, that's going to be the next zone, where then it's going to push up to this zone. So eventually I'm looking for this to potentially go where it's going to eventually be able to pull about 100 and close to 115 pips up out of this, right? So now looking at where the way I trade, guys, I look for 4 things to happen. I'm looking for market structure, which I got right here, right? Up and down, multiple touches. And I'm looking for a break and close out of that zone. And if you look at this candle here, right? This candle here at 10 a.m. this morning, it broke and closed out of the zone. See all of these wicks? Those are all wicks. But this candle right here broke and closed, all right? It could have closed even down here. It was the first full body candle close out of the zone. Then it retested right here at 11 a.m. And then on noon, it shot up, right? And it went up here, and I could have said, all right, I just close out, but I chose to stay in it. That was my choice, right? So now what I'm looking at on the 11 o'clock candle, I was looking for a retest and a potential rejection as well. So if I go to the 15-minute, step 1, market structure. Step 2, 1 hour candle close. I got that there. And then if you look here at 11 o'clock, 11:15, right here, matter of fact, 11 o'clock, it retested, right? Retested in this zone. Then at 11:40, that's the third thing I'm looking for. And the fourth thing I'm looking for, I got right here at 11:30 was a rejection, a bullish rejection, which it did. It closed, boom. That was my key to get in, and that's what I did. So again, 4 things: market structure, break and close of one candle, a retest with another candle, right? With a retest with a sell candle, if you want to call it that, and then a rejection and close back with a bullish candle. That's giving me an indication that it's going to be going for a buy. All right, so that's what I did, and now this is where I'm at in this trade. So now look what's happening here, guys. This is where I like to use fibs sometimes, and different ways to use fibs. This is just the way I use it and the way I taught, and this worked perfectly fine for me. So from this zone, I'm going to take my fib levels, right? And I'm going to go from the top of this candle here, from the top of that body of the candle here, to the bottom of the zone here, right? I can go to, say, right here if I wanted to. I can go right here, right? But I'm going to go to the bottom of my resistance zone right here, where bottom of support. So this is my top level resistance. This is the bottom of support right down here, okay? And if you look right here, let me see if I can change the color on it. Just to give you guys a better look. Where's my coordinates at? Okay. Style. Okay, 61.8. So let's say I want to change that green just to show you guys where it's hitting at on 61.8. Okay. So now you see right here, look at 61.8. For me, that's obviously a key fib level. 61.8, look what's happened here. This is perfect for where it broke and retested, right? Broke, retested, rejected up, 61.8, shot back up. And look how many times, 1, 2, 3. It's rejected off of this 61.8 level 3 times. So now that's giving me a strong indication, letting me know, hey, this is a very strong area, right? Because it broke this area, retested. So this area of resistance is now a newfound level of support, and it's rejecting here multiple times. letting me know that is a level of support, right? A strong level of support now. It went from resistance to support. Resistance it was right here, now it's support. So now all I'm waiting on is for it to just play out and do its thing. If it decides to push down and come and hit my stop loss, so what? It is what it is. I have a 30 pip stop loss, right? My 30 pip TP up here. I'm looking for it to continue up. Now, other indicators, if I go to the higher time frame to let me know, hey, this is a potentially potentially going to happen. If you look right here, yes, this candle was it was bullish, and it had a nice long wick rejection. It pulled back, but when the trading day reopened, which was at 4 o'clock right here, right now it's being bullish, but it did start off. I mean, it's bearish right now, but it started off bullish, and it gave me hope that it's still at this zone right here, giving me an indicator that this is going to be continuing to an uptrend. That's the 4 hour. And then if I go look at the daily, I want to look at the daily really quickly. If you look right here, what's happening on the daily chart, right? Squeeze that in some, came down right here. Boom, this yesterday's candle closed out above this zone right here as well. And now this new daily candle opened up right here in the same area off of that 61.8 level on the 1 hour. So those are all for me strong indicators that this is going to continue to push up. I could be wrong, right? This is just my analysis in this video. So that's why I do it, right? So that's where I'm at. That's where I'm at on this trade. And just letting it play out and do its thing. And we'll see what happens, guys. As the updates, I'll let you guys know win or lose. I'll drop an update in my comments to let you know what happened with it. All right, guys. So I hope you all got some value from this, man. I appreciate you guys hopping on here. And listen, guys, I have a video if you want to know exactly the strategy, how I break down how I trade. I mark up 5 pairs for you guys, exactly what I do to go into the markets to get my 60 pips per day. I have a free video, guys, 40-minute video breaking down my exact strategy, showing me entering a live trade, everything I do step by step. If you want to get it, simply go to go to tradewitheddy.com. Again, you can go to tradewitheddy.com to pick that up. Or just click the link below and you'll be able to grab it. All right. So with that being said, thank you for hopping on. I hope you found some value. Again, if you did, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, want to see more content from me, do me a huge favor and go ahead and hit that bell notification and that subscribe button so you can be notified when I drop new videos. Appreciate your time. I will talk to you guys later. Take care.